And so I got some stories from, instructing people over the years. I had a struggling student who couldn't grasp basic loops. Uh, it unlocked their potential. To unlock their potential. I spent time just teaching them with a different learning style, right? And so sometimes, um, if you're dealing with an 11-year-old, a 13-year-old, maybe teaching them to program a blackjack game isn't that interesting. Maybe inventory app, your medieval inventory app, not everyone cares about medieval knights, right? I get that. And so what I like to do is replace some of the learning concepts and items in the inventory with Fortnite objects, right? Like Chuck's health kit, med kit. You know what I mean? Keep it interesting. Not everybody cares about this the same way you do, and so you got to realize that. When I told a discouraged student, "I see you as a rock star before you do," it transformed their whole approach to challenges. And so, kindness, right? You guys are all rock stars. You get it. I'm a rock star. Takes one to know one, right? But in tech, I noticed there isn't a lot of kindness all the time. Not everyone is the best communicator. Some of us are introverts, some of us are extroverts, like myself. Um, and so I thought that this talk would be a great talk to keep having with people because as we promote more kindness, I find better unit cohesion in the teams I work on as an adult. And so the principles of kind instruction extend beyond the classroom, of course. Transforms how we approach code reviews and team collaboration. If I know you guys are going to be kind with me, I'll feel comfortable to show you my source code. Build trust that powers effective cybersecurity and development teams. I work on teams deploying seams, making firewall changes, managing VLANs with other adults, right? And I'd like to lead with kindness because who's to say that you might not be comfortable with showing me your mistake, right? And that's a two-way street. I make mistakes all the time. And so this develops resilient engineers who can weather technical challenges, fosters inclusive communities where diverse perspectives thrive. When we prioritize compassion alongside competence, we build stronger technical ecosystems for everyone. And so I have some closing thoughts here. We're not quite done, but kindness is the ultimate exploit. It's my secret to everything. I say at work all the time if you work with me, kindness breaks down barriers that you cannot see. Coding changed my life, and kindness sustained that. Teaching with empathy creates stronger and more creative learners who are prepared not just for coding challenges, but for the human aspects of technology careers. We got to be kind to each other. And so I got a little call to action slide in the slide deck here. And I want you guys just to reflect. How will you apply kindness in your next coding instruction or collaboration, right? Because coding instruction is kind of like leading dev teams or leading, cybersecurity teams in your NOC or your SOC, right? Choose one action. Small acts matter.